Okay, is this all making sense to you? I hope so. Reposition my ladder just a little. I got the white wires over there. And see, I should actually have my ladder on the other side because I'm right-handed and the bed's in my way, but then I have to rearrange you. And so I'll just have to grin and bear it, maybe a little. I see what I have to do. I'll rearrange my wires a little bit because I want to get this sensor situated such that I'm kind of in the middle. I don't want to go too far one way or another, or else I can't get my canopy up if I have any wires in the way. So see, I can lower the wires down, okay, and I might just have to push that sideways, and I think that'll work. And get my wires up here on the side. I'm trying to keep my white wires. Maybe I should take the whites and redirect them over this way, like that. Okay. Because remember, had I had the white wires over here, they would have been too close to the blacks. Okay, now I can take this and I can push it up where it needs to go, making sure my wire area is clean there. Okay, and my screw, I should have loosened it up a little bit more off of the bracket. I'm just doing that with my fingers. Okay, and as long as I can get that up in there and swiveled, I'm okay. But I've got to loosen the screws a little bit further. Okay. Come on. There. There's a definite little clink. And right there, now I can tighten these, knowing that the other two set screws where I have to go are situated. But before I tighten up these sides all the way, I want to make sure I can put this other screw in and get it started before I tighten anything, right? And here's a tip for you. Before you do that, I got the plastic up here. I think I'm gonna put the plastic around, because if this last screw, if it gets loose, guess where it's going? Murphy says it'll go right down inside the motor. Right? And so I'm trying to do this without moving my ladder. I don't know if I can get it or not. I might have to move my ladder. I'm doing it with my left hand now. I don't know if I... See, I'm at a funky angle here, and I'm not getting it. So I'm gonna move my swivel my ladder. I'm gonna leave you right there. As a matter of fact, see if I can't get this and not really be in your way too much. I might be in your way, but see, even on this side, it's tricky. Okay, because the bed's right there in my way. Come on. Come on. it should be all lined up, right? There, come on. I'm going to take my scratch awl and do this business, and I can tell that it should go in there. It's just a matter of holding my mouth just right. This looks straight. Oh, I didn't get it yet. Oh man, why isn't that going? Whew. You don't first succeed, try again, right? Let's take my little screwdriver, and it looks like it's all lined up. I just don't have it at the right angle, and it's right up next to the ceiling. Come on. I might have to go back on the other side. Maybe I can feel it with just my hand up there. Isn't that weird? Isn't that something? It's just... it just doesn't... It should go. It should be right there. Come on. You see, I got everything loose. That's why you don't want to tighten these, just in case you need that little bit one way or another. That's just barely on. Isn't that? Oh, okay. I'm gonna have to just take a little break here real quick. Catch my breath. Can you believe that? I got 1 minute left on my SIM card of this whole thing. I thought I'd had plenty of time, but hey, if I can do it, you can do it. Remember that.